Begin by placing 1½ cups of all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Season the flour with 1½ teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1½ teaspoons of onion powder, 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons of kosher salt, and about 1½ teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper or to taste. Give that a quick whisk to combine. For this recipe, we are using 3 pounds of chicken wings. Transfer the chicken wings to the seasoned flour and coat evenly. Do this in batches. Once the chicken wings have been evenly coated, transfer to a wire rack. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the chicken wings. Now, set your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Set the time to 20 minutes and let the air fryer preheat. Once your air fryer basket has been preheated, spray a little bit of cooking spray to prevent the chicken wings from sticking. Place the chicken wings in the preheated basket in a single layer and do this in batches. Air fry them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, flipping them halfway through. Meanwhile, let's make the firecracker sauce. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of your favorite hot sauce. We are using Louisiana hot sauce. 1½ tablespoons of soy sauce, 1½ tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 3 tablespoons of sriracha sauce, 1/3 of a cup of honey, and the last ingredient, ½ a cup of butter. Stir the sauce over medium heat until all the ingredients are evenly incorporated and the sauce begins to bubble. Reduce the heat to low and let the sauce simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt together. After the firecracker sauce has simmered for about 5 minutes, remove from the heat and set it aside. And after 20 minutes of total cooking time, the internal temperature should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now transfer some of the chicken wings to a large mixing bowl and coat with the firecracker sauce. And once all the chicken wings have been evenly coated, transfer to a plate or platter. You may garnish with fresh parsley if you like. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, air fryer firecracker chicken wings. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.